Yo King, what's up? I hope you are absolutely fine. Now I know my title sounds like a mostly sane video, but hang on, it is not like a mostly sane video. I can promise you that. This is not like my regular videos. It is a different kind of video क्योंकि ये एक स्पेशल वीडियो है.
Don't let your kids watch it!
So the first stage, you are a noob. You are the guy who just got into Minecraft. You are exploring, you are having some fun. It is your first day. The world seems magical. कितना सब कुछ है तुम्हें पता ही नहीं. You don't have any worries, and to be honest, the first experience of playing a game is always very sweet. You will do too much dumb shit for sure, and for that you will die. So that will force you to settle down, which brings us to our second stage. Your first settlement. Your first house, a place where you will sleep at night, you will store your things, your starting point. You know if you are settling down, you will run out of food very soon. और अगल बगल के सारे जानवर मार दोगे तो खाओगे क्या? कुछ बचेगा नहीं. So you will have to start a new thing, which is farming, which brings us to our third stage, the farmer. मतलब एक तालाब के साइड में एक छोटा फार्मलैंड जो जितना भी वीट सीड मिले उसे वीट उगाओ. फिर नया फार्मिंग, काऊ फार्म, शीप फार्म, वूल फार्म, लेदर फार्म, ये सब शुरू होगा. That's how your farming starts. Now when you are settled with your farmland, you won't die by starving basically. Then you will start a new thing, that's exploring, which brings us to our fourth stage, the explorer. You will go in for mining inside caves, strip mines, abandoned mine shafts, a lot of things. Your first diamond pickaxe, obsidian. You will find new enemies, new friends, wool, cats. Now when you will find a horse, you will need to ride it. For riding a horse you need a saddle. You are a complete explorer. Now after a certain point, when you have achieved much, you will go in for the final fight, the Ender Dragon. Now when you are approaching the Ender Dragon, you are not a noob anymore. You know stuff. You know that a bed is not only used for sleeping, it has other purposes. No, I don't mean like that. I mean you can use it to kill the Ender Dragon, right? Don't take otherwise. So what I mean, now you have come to the fifth stage, the strategy based player. When you start a new world, you know exactly how to go. You know the fastest way you can grow a farm. You know everything, right from iron farm to automatic farms, everything. You know you don't really have a story in Minecraft, so people use this Ender Dragon as their conclusion. Like they will explore the end cities, they will find Elytra, set up big farms, and eventually they will leave the game. That's the end. Some people choose to stay and play it further, some people choose to stream, some people choose to make redstone machines. You know, people have their own choices. Minecraft is your own world, you know, the world that you have created in your mind for these long years. To be very honest, there are no stages like this in general. I just made it up. I took this opportunity to thank you guys. It was like a f***ing excuse. Right from the time when I started my channel, you guys were with me. बहुत कम लोग थे लेकिन थे. I want to thank you guys. Thanks a lot for being with me, each and every one of you. You guys have used your multiple Gmail accounts to subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate it. I appreciate this support. Thanks a lot. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Keep supporting me, and maybe one day we will reach 1 million. No, 1 million is very big. 1,000 subscribers. It took me 10 months to reach 100 subscribers, so I will need more 900 months to reach 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe, like, share. कुछ मत करना, ये तुम्हारे लिए, तुम देखो बस, ठीक है? Thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around till the end, thanks for sticking around for this 10 months. It means a lot, man. Seriously, it means a lot. Bye, Shabba, take care. I will meet you in the next funny video.